Wondering how to create captivating and thrilling videos that seize the viewer's attention and send a surge of excitement coursing through them? An extraordinary combination of artificial intelligence and motion brushes might just be the key. Welcome to the stunning future of digital creativity with Generations and 5 awe-inspiring motion brushes. Generations is your ticket to effortlessly and swiftly creating professional quality cinematic films that are rich with breathtaking visual effects. This artificial intelligence technology morphs your ideas into tangible form, enabling you to bring your creative visions to life with ease and sophistication. The tech's advanced algorithms work tirelessly, enhancing the visual performance of your videos with stunning motion effects. The result? Every frame of your video tells a compelling and unique story. Now imagine coupling this with 5 exceptional motion brushes that add an extra dash of magic to your creations. These brushes offer a diverse range of dynamic motions and smooth transitions, adding a high level of professional finesse to your videos. Watch as your work spring to life, captivating audiences with their stunning and mesmerizing details. The future of technological creativity is here, where artificial intelligence and motion brushes converge to craft pieces that are not only worth watching, but worth appreciating. So embark on this journey with confidence and stun the world with your distinctive and thrilling creations using Generations and these 5 motion brushes. They're your secret weapon, transforming your videos into a magical and astonishing journey. Furthermore, there exists a multitude of excellent platforms and websites that contribute to content production with artificial intelligence. These platforms harness the power of cutting-edge AI technologies to enhance the creative process and streamline content creation. Some of the top websites in this domain include XYZ AI Studio, Content AI, Creative AI, and AI Enhanced Productions. They offer a wide range of tools and resources that leverage AI to generate, edit, and enhance content, making the creative process more efficient and effective. So go forth and explore these platforms to unlock the full potential of AI in content production and take your creations to unprecedented heights. In summary, with Generations and the 5 motion brushes, you can create professional quality cinematic films with breathtaking visual effects. AI technology and motion brushes work together to transform your videos into an astonishing journey, captivating your viewers. The future of technological creativity is here, and it's time for you to seize it.